Hi all, in this tutorial I will show you guys how to install Windows Server 2003 on VirtualBox. So first open VirtualBox and then click on new, type the name of operating system you want to install. I am installing Windows Server 2003. Now click on hardware. So this virtual machine will use 512 MB of RAM from my physical memory. Now click on hard disk and assign 10 GB for this virtual machine. Now click on finish. Now click on optical drive and choose a disk file. Choose a disk file, this one. Now find my operating system. This is remember always, this is an ISO file, .iso file for virtual machine. Now click on open. Now click on normal start. So the installation is started. See here, right click on full screen. In this tutorial I am installing Windows Server 2003 in VirtualBox. Now press on enter. Now press F8 from keyboard. Now press C to create the partition and assign the space in MB for the partition. I am assigning 7000 for 7 GB of partition. Click on enter. Now then click C and click enter. Now press enter and then press enter. Now the setup is formatting the C partition to prepare for Windows installation. It will take some time, 30 or 40 seconds, maybe 20, to complete the formatting the partition. So the setup is formatting the partition is completed. Now check on drive C to copy the installation file of operating system. I am using Windows Server 2003 Enterprise Edition. Setup is copying file. This will take a minute or 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes to complete the copy file to the C directory. You can also search my tutorial on my channel. I'm also upload a tutorial to how to install Windows Server 2003 in VMware Workstation. You can also check that video. So please subscribe my channel for more tutorial. So setup is scrapping file almost completed. Now my system, the guest operating system will restart. Your computer will reboot in 11 seconds. So I am pressing enter. In this case, do not press any key, remember. So the first part is completed. Now the installation part is. So this is the installation part of Windows Server 2003. So now installing devices. Please subscribe my channel and also like my videos, so I will make more videos on operating system, networking and other something else for information technology. Now click on next, type username. I'm using I'm maybe John. Click next. Now click next. Remove this extra number. Now click on next. Click on yes. Click next. Now check the radio button, topical setting, and then click next. Type for group here. If not, now click on next. So this is the complete installation for Windows Server 2003 and Oracle VirtualBox as a guest operating system. Oracle VirtualBox is a software for guest operating system. You can install more than operating system inside VirtualBox. Now my installation is completing installation. Here installing Windows. Windows Server 2003 is an old operating system, released in 2003, but you can still use it for networking purpose or practice or small business. It is a best operating system for domain network or server kind network. Windows Server 2003 and later server operating system are designed for domain network or server kind network. So the installation is almost completed, but still 4 minutes are remaining. It will take some time, 2, 3 or 4 minutes to complete the installation. So the installation is almost done. Remember, in this situation, do not press any key after complete installation. This will take a minute or 30 seconds. Playing computer setting. So here click on input, keyboard, insert control alt delete. And now click on OK for login. So the installation is almost done, and also this is the complete installation for Windows Server 2003. Now click on close button or cancel. Yes. Also close this. Also close this one and click on finish. Click on yes. Now close this one. Now write properties, settings, and apply and click OK. Yes and click OK. Now click properties, desktop, customize desktop, check this one, this one, this one, and also this one. Click OK, apply, OK. Right click, arrange, new. So this is the complete installation for Windows Server 2003.